Here we are at the Vanuatu airport. Virgin Australia check-in. And the Air Vanuatu check-in. Very helpful airline. And there are the flights and the airlines. Air Vanuatu, Air New Guinea, Fiji, Virgin Australia, and that is our flight NF10 to Sydney at 3:20 p.m. You very obviously do not want to sit in the airport any longer than you have to because it's not air conditioned and there's really nothing to do here. But I thought you'd want to see what Vanuatu airport looked like. For incoming, exchanged no money. They took our dollars. It was $10 for the two of us from downtown Port Vila or Vila to the airport, and it takes a good 45 minutes. Everything back home is made in China too. For my many airline spotters, this is the engine from Scout Bomber Douglas SBD-4. During the war, the U.S. forces lost over 300 military aircraft. The engine is just one from the many aircraft that crashed in the New Hebrides. Some carried machine guns attached, others carried bombs ranging from 100 pounds to 1,000 pounds and more. For extra mileage, they had to drop tanks which allowed a longer range of defense. Our Air Vanuatu flight just got in, but they managed to turn everything around pretty quickly. And the Virgin Australia flight just got in also. That one is more than a half an hour late. So we have two plane loads of people